Universe Cebu Darling of the Press Gold winner is from Cebu City North. Congratulations, Miss Stephanie Hanson. Also, our bronze and silver winner is from the media. Again, thank you so much for coming here tonight. SM Seaside City, Cebu. Mabuhay kinatanan. This has been your host. My name is JP Lau saying, shine bright light in the universe. Maayong gabi o Merry Christmas kanatong tanan.